Way number 8. Join Leapforce. It is one of the most legitimate work for making money online. Join Leapforce, work from home and make money. After joining Leapforce, you will get the job of personalized search engine evaluator. I prefer this method because in this method you don't have to invest any money. To start as a Leapforce member, you will need a USB and good speed internet connection. It can be done by anyone, but he need to have excellent web research skill and skilled in communicating with anyone, both by verbally and by written communication. To start as a Leapforce agent, you will need to fulfill an online application, and if you are shortlisted, you have to pass qualification exam to check your theoretical as well as practical knowledge of web research and research engine evaluation. You should be an active user of Google, Gmail, YouTube, Google Plus and Google Play. You must use Google Play at least once a week, Google Plus at least more than once per month, and your web history must turn on. Second, study well all the material they will provide you. If you don't pass in 2 attempts, you will never be able to become a Leapforce member. Being a Leapforce member, you will earn $13 per hour if you are a USA citizen. But if you are Asian and African, you will earn $7 per hour. You will receive your payment by checks at the every end of the month. So, what do you think? Does Leapforce appeal you? If yes, then start it today. Thank you.